We literally just landed and took a train, UP Express. We just went to this cafe that's like literally a minute walk. So I got a matcha latte, but look how white this is. And then you could see like the actual powder underneath. JJ got a sandwich. He just got an ice Americano. It's not very matcha, but it's matcha flavor. We are at The Fry. It's Korean fried chicken. Some tteokbokki, boneless soy garlic chicken. I can actually eat that loud because the place is very small.
Top tier, amazing.
So here we have the Victini illustration collection. I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover since it's really loud here. I love this giant Victini card. The box only came with 4 packs, so we'll each open 2 packs. So sadly, as you'll see here, we didn't even pull anything good. So we'll just speed run this pack openings. Okay, bye! Italian kitchen and bar. It's called Scaramouche. A mozzarella lady is called Yatna. That's her name. So everybody thank Yatna for making our mozzarella. Thank you, Yatna. This is a peach mango bellini.
Oh yeah, mango.
And then it has an orange slice.
Have a jolly day.
Still tastes like alcohol.
No, it doesn't.
Bacon carbonara, calamari, some bread. They also got the same carbonara because apparently it's really good. Oh, look at my trick. Look at my trick. That's a wap. A wet-ass pasta. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I will eat now. Goodbye. I didn't really get to film all day yesterday because we walked and I was really tired. We didn't show what our Airbnb looked like, which is a little bit messy now because we've been here since yesterday. So when you walk in to the Airbnb, this is the door. This door behind me is washing machine and a dryer. And this is the bathroom, and this is like the kitchen, the first bedroom, a dining table, and the couch. And then this is the main bedroom. So here's the city. Windows are really dirty. Pretty cool, right? Now we are headed out. It is 11 a.m. and we are going to Markham to go blind box shopping and meet with Mary, which is Matt's sister. It's really loud here. We're in the subway on the way to Pacific Mall.
I don't know. I guess I
With
could look.
Mary. We're gonna eat here. Do you want to be lucky? We want to be lucky. The Lucky Bridge. Okay, I got barbecue duck, barbecue pork, and crispy roasted pork. That's good. I'm gonna get this headband. It's like this. 3 for 10 socks. I can't quite see because the sun is, oh, whoa, my forehead a little bit. We're going to a cafe now to meet Kate. This is a matcha floats. Flights? It's a flight. Starts here. This is the matcha flights. Version 2. Mango, ube, cheesecake, and dirty dalgona. This is the coconut matcha latte. Oh my
Texture.
God, so strong, guys.
It's just a shortcut.
Oh, they cut it.
Yes.
Oh.
The mango's quite strong.
Oh, okay. It's like a full peanut dessert.
Yes.
You taste it too? The little rice? Just
Very earthy.
Okay.
I think I personally would like to.
It's good ube. Okay.
I love
Okay.
cheesecake flavor though.
Okay.
Yeah. I like that one.
No.
But then, yeah, I don't think you're gonna like it.
Okay. It's a little bitter. A little bit. But yeah, it's
Kids on the back. He got a strawberry matcha.
strawberry matcha.
The strawberry's been mixed. We didn't do oat milk on that.
Yep.
I feel like it's just missing your oat.
Yeah.
You know, delicious.
Okay, time to eat. First taste. Mmm. Is it good?
Delicious.
It's good. This one is mine. He got a house special. And then JJ's also a house special. Ooh, okay, eat that. And then Brian got a pad thai. No, I'm gonna finish.
Yeah, right.
I will.
In my room before.
Okay. Oh, there's more than one card. The back is hollow. Oh. Okay.
Oh, this one has a rip thing. Oh.
Oh,
That is so cool. I love it. Okay, here is Yu-Gi-Oh box. Good night.
Put my cards in.
Good night.
Good night.
I only have one mic, but we are at Wellington Market and we're eating at the food court because they got a lot of options. So I got black garlic ramen and then takoyaki for sides.
Well, my meal cost me $35. Crazy in this economy. I'm broke now. I'm just kidding. So this
to go
is
home.
a lobster roll. It's a classic. Upgraded to truffle fry.
I got a bacon cheeseburger, smash burger here at Rosie's Burgers. I got a Japadog lemonade, a Japanade, if you will.
Allison got a little baby keychain blind box.
I really want the pink one and the cream one, or the yellow one.
Low card.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Okay, and that was it. See you later. We are going home tomorrow, so we have to pack tonight. We just got back from Breezy Bowl and it was a terrible experience. It's not about Chris Brown, but the Rogers Stadium is terrible. It's not easily accessible. You have to walk super far just to get to the stadium, and it was raining pretty much all through the night. I got a couple of things that I was actually specifically looking for. The one that I really, really wanted is this. I'm not sure what the set is called, but her name is Nami, and it's a really big keychain. And then the other one, so I wasn't specifically looking for this one, but I do like this character, Dora. Oh, I got these Sunny Angels bags. I also got a Sunny Angel, the snack series. This one I got because they were 50% off. I really want the coffee one or the fried chicken, probably.
That's me. Gotcha. I forgot about the Red Bull completely.
Were you able to sleep? Is it the panda one? Oh my god, that's busted.
I put the year.
Oh, that's not bad.
Thank you. We are at all you can eat
Spring sushi.
sushi. Whoa, look.
What a view.
I got another one. This is the smaller one. And I want the brown one, yellow orangey one.
Okay, guys, so we got the Maltese. I like on anything but this, but also the secret would be nice.
What is this packaging? A box within a box?
Oh.
Does it have to be a bag though? Secret.
We are at another cafe for more matcha. This one is called Bloom. I just got a matcha latte with oat milk, obviously, but JJ got hojicha. And then we got Matt and Megan's semi-ceremonial matcha. This is the hojicha. This tastes like a bit burnt, like
Smoky.
roasted,
Yeah.
roasted matcha. That's what it tastes like. This is really good. Okay, bye.